Well, is marital rape a crime? That's an issue many African nations are grappling with. Africa 54's Ndimyake Mwakalyelye joins us now with more on this. Ndimi.
Well, thank you, Vincent. Many countries in Africa do not have laws against spousal rape. That is, a man forcing his wife to have sex with him. Some countries have laws that actually forbid women from bringing rape charges against their spouses. In general, efforts to criminalize marital rape have been controversial and the results mixed. African countries have made progress in criminalizing spousal or marital rape since it was recognized as a form of gender-based violence in the 1980 UN Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women. South Africa was among the first when, in 1993, legislators replaced a legal provision exempting husbands from rape charges with a new law stating that a husband may be convicted of raping his wife. Since then, nearly 20 other African countries have taken similar steps. Exceptions include Nigeria, Ethiopia and Kenya, where the laws say that rape can only happen outside of wedlock. In other countries like Senegal, the laws make no mention of spousal rape in the penal code. An attorney at the Association of Women Lawyers in Senegal, which runs a free walk-in legal aid clinic in Dakar, says some women have sought divorce due to spousal rape.
L'une d'entre elles m'a dit que mon mari est violent, il me bat.
One of them told me her husband is violent. He was beating her. At night, she doesn't want him to touch her, but he's stronger, and he rapes her, so she wanted a divorce. But she forbid me from putting any of that in the divorce request.
Ndimyake, who runs a counseling and crisis center for a non-governmental organization in the city of Korlak, says she has seen it all, including men beating their wives for trying to refuse sex. She says some situations threaten a woman's health.
The
woman gives birth and the husband won't wait the traditional 40 days. Women try to refuse because they have stitches or have just had a cesarean. Because of our traditions, these women don't want to denounce their husbands or take them to court. Instead, they come to us and ask us to mediate, to explain to their husbands the dangers of infection or internal damage.
Ndimyake says deeply entrenched religious and social values say a woman should be sexually submissive to her husband. But she adds, health trumps all.
With our traditions, women cannot denounce their husbands. Religion or traditions say that when a man wants to have sexual relations, the woman should not refuse, that it's forbidden, and that is not good for the woman. But that's just talk. Health concerns come first.
Now, in the countries that have criminalized marital rape, punishments vary widely, ranging from fines to imprisonment. However, activists do fear that not many people consider marital rape a crime, resulting in underreporting of those cases.
Well, yeah, it's good that there are laws now in the books, but in many communities, really, you have to say, it has taken a long time for people to recognize that there can be something like rape of your spouse. Well, we we take a break right now. Want to know what you think about Africa 54 and the stories we covered? Join the conversation on Facebook and check out our headlines 24/7 on voaafrica.com.